Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall or remove a software from your Windows machine. Search for control panel, okay, and click on programs or uninstall program. There are the list of software which is installed on your Windows machine. And then choose the software which you want to uninstall. Okay, for example, I am going to uninstall TeamViewer, which is this one. Okay, click on that and uninstall. Click on yes and install. Yeah, that's how you can remove a software from your Windows machine on Windows 10. Close. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.